Hi, my name is Corbin Lamb, and we're going to be talking about how B cells fight antigens. Basically, it's our immune system that's responsible for defending our bodies against foreign invaders. There are two parts to the system, the innate and the adaptive immune system. Let's focus on the adaptive immune system, which is more specialized. When an antigen gets past the innate system, the adaptive immune system will activate the right set of fighter cells to get the job done. We will focus on B cells for your viewing experience. What are B cells? B cells are a type of lymphocyte that make antibodies. Antibodies are protein complexes that attach to specific parts of antigen, like a virus or bacteria. Antibodies flag or tag antigens so other phagocytes can see the bad guys and destroy them. Here's a picture of an antibody. Antibodies have two parts, two heavy chains and two light chains, as you can see here. On the ends of each chain are variable portion, where DNA is reshuffled to make a unique combination. This is the part of the antibody that will attach to an antigen. How are B cells made, you say? Here's a quick overview. Step 1. A stem cell enters the bone marrow and the heavy chain of the B cell antibody is made. Step 2. Next, a new heavy chain is tested to see if it works correctly. If it does, then a new light chain is added on. If not, the cell dies. Step 3. The B cell and its new antibody complex are tested to make sure it does not attack self cells. If it attacks your own cells, the B cell will die. Step 4. If it correctly does not recognize self cells as an antigen, the B cell will become a mature B cell that has IgM and IgD antibodies on its surface, ready to search for some bad antigens. Once the mature B cell is outside the bone marrow, it searches high and low looking for an antigen in areas like the spleen and lymph tissues. If the B cell never encounters its antigen, it will eventually die. If it does find its antigen, it will be activated. Once the B cell is activated, what happens next depends on what type of antigen it encounters. Let's focus on when the antigen is a non-protein, like a carbohydrate, metal, lipid molecule. This is a T cell independent antigen. Once activated by the T cell independent antigen, the B cells turns into plasma cells, which secretes tons of IgM antibodies. The IgM antibody can attack the antigen. Here are some ways antibodies can stop antigens. They can stop them by damaging, immobilize, agglutinating, and blocking antigens. Information, IgM antibody is made if you get a blood transfusion from a non-matching blood type. B cells will recognize the different sugars on the blood cells and attack.